Hello all, today we will see how to calculate average of values in a list or a database according to selected column. So first of all we will let's write our formula. Sorry for Turkish, this is my Excel in Turkish language, but you can see the English version in the table. Just write the database. So first of all we will write our formula. Then we will select database that we will get values from, and then we will select the field, and in this table we will select total because we will calculate average values of total values, and then the criteria, and it will move, the formula will calculate according to this product name. So and it's ready, it's too easy. Then let's make an example. If you don't write anything here, it will get average value of all values, total values. And just write phone. Let's, you can see it's easily changed the average value of phones. And we can make a last example. Let's make it book. Yes, you can see it's get the average value of only books. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and